Tezos has a major upgrade focusing on DeFi, but XTZ price has barely reacted. PayPal launches full crypto services to all of its American users. Bitcoin seems to be on an unstoppable price rise, and Bitcoin Cash underwent a hard fork, splitting into two new chains. Well, what does all this mean? We'll get into these topics and more on this episode of BeInCrypto News. Tezos has gone through its fourth upgrade known as Delphi, with this upgrade specifically targeting the DeFi sector. Now, one of the major improvements is the 75% reduction in gas fees, really encouraging developers to build and create dApps on this proof-of-stake Ethereum alternative. This decrease in gas fees will enable more complex smart contracts to be used and also executed in advance on-chain transactions. Now, another addition of Delphi is the lowering of storage costs by a factor of 4, from 1 XTZ to 0.25 XTZ per kilobyte. Delphi's developers added that this upgrade is crucial to enable novel applications on the blockchain that target areas like DeFi, collectibles, and also in gaming. Now, one of the original architects of Tezos, Arthur Brightman, stated this is what Tezos was built to do: amend, evolve, and also grow. There's been actually little reaction to Tezos token prices, which have been mostly trading sideways for the past 2 months. XTZ, which is ranked 18th in the cryptocurrency market cap, is currently trading at $2.04, down marginally from the same time last week. XTZ made its 2020 and also its all-time high in mid-August, when it briefly topped $4.50. While social media platforms such as Twitter and Reddit have some users praising Tezos for the smooth upgrade, one user actually spoke out saying that Tezos is so undervalued it's scary. Even though it's top 20, it's still flying under the radar of many. The thread goes on to state that by the time ETH and other chains achieve this, Tezos will already be on its 8th upgrade. Tezos is the ultimate blockchain, bank it. Well, do you guys agree? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Well, next up, PayPal has removed their waitlist and announced that all of its US-based customers can now transact in crypto via its application. The move potentially exposes millions of new users to crypto and was welcomed news by many in the cryptocurrency space. Previously, cryptocurrency services were only partially available to users, with many waiting to be onboarded via a waiting list. However, PayPal updated US customers and decided to remove the waiting list and give everyone access. As well-known crypto investor Ryan Seed Adams tweeted, "To the 346 million PayPal users, welcome to the party." Well, PayPal did manage to make mistakes on their cryptocurrency launch, as many users actually pointed out their description of available cryptocurrencies was very outdated and also inaccurate. Many users felt the way PayPal described coins such as Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin was disingenuous and should immediately be changed as to not confuse newcomers to the space. Well, although the PayPal news caused a lot of industry excitement, CZ from Binance took a moment to remind everyone not to get too excited. He tweeted that Binance US is still bigger than PayPal, LOL, referencing trading volume across the two platforms. Well, now let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin continues its bull run after breaking out from the 15,800 area on November the 12th, and the BTC price returned to validate the level as support and then resumed its upward movement. While technical indicators support this increase, and so does breakout from a short-term descending resistance line. Now, while the price has not reached a weekly close above a crucial Fibonacci resistance level at $16,200, it's already moved above it and aiming for the next important resistance line near $17,200. So if you are looking to trade and want to learn a little bit more about cryptocurrency trading, I would recommend the free BeInCrypto trading community on Telegram to check out and learn about some daily updates. And finally, Bitcoin Cash has gone through yet another hard fork, creating two new cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin Cash node BCHN and Bitcoin Cash ABC, BCH ABC. Well, previously in 2018, Bitcoin Cash had a hard fork splitting into two separate networks, also called Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin Satoshi's Vision. This fork was possibly one of the most dramatic forks to take place and was even referred to as a civil war among two competing Bitcoin Cash accounts. Now this new fork has happened, the Bitcoin Cash node and the Bitcoin Cash ABC communities could not come to an agreement on what the future rules of the network should be. So according to a November the 13th, 2020 press release, whereas both implementations agree on a novel mining algorithm, supporters of BCH ABC want a portion of the block reward, around 8%, to be distributed to the developer team, which undoubtedly causes centralization to the development efforts similar to other projects. While most major cryptocurrency exchanges, including Binance, Huobi and OKX, supported the upcoming fork and their two communities, while Kraken said it would support Bitcoin Cash node if a BCH split occurs in November. It justifies its stance by referencing 70% of the network, signaling support for Bitcoin Cash node versus less than 1% of Bitcoin Cash ABC. So do you all remember the 2018 Bitcoin Cash hard fork, and are you expecting this to have similar impact in the price and also the media headlines? Let us know in the comments. So on a final note, as we wrap up, the notorious DeFi exchange SushiSwap is on a massive price tear, as it's up 113% on the week and 16% on the day. Well, according to social media analyst aggregator Lunar Crush, SushiSwap is the #1 ranking coin by Altrank, a measurement that combines action of price performance relative to Bitcoin, but also social activity indicators. With increased social activity, we expect SushiSwap to continue to help set up the space among DeFi applications. SushiSwap, if you remember, had several price swings recently, most notably in September 2020, when the token fell 75% on the back of a decentralized exchange's co-founder liquidating his holdings. In fact, SushiSwap was actually one of the most sold off DeFi tokens in September and October, but November has seen an upward swing, so do you think it has more room for some price potential? Share your thoughts in the comments. And now, before we go, it's time to shout out some of our most bullish tweets of the week. Tyler Vinkovoss, CEO and co-founder of Gemini, spoke out on the news that Citibank report predicts Bitcoin price of $318,000 by December 2021. Buckle up. Well, this then had the response from Larry Cermak, director of research at The Block, stating that before everyone gets hyped on this Citi report, the same guy said in 2013 that gold was going to hit 3.5k and even used the 1970s analogy. Not saying it's not going to happen, but this guy looked like Citi's pomp. Well, David Goldstein spoke out amid the Bitcoin hype, telling his followers that ETH is completely overlooked. And this is my personal favorite video, retweeted by Charlie Lee, with the caption, "When anyone mentions Bitcoin, within an earshot." But we're always looking for new crypto accounts to follow, so retweet this segment and tag some of your favorite accounts. Well, this has been our bi-weekly update of the cryptocurrency market. Tune in again on Friday at BeInCrypto for another crypto news recap, and join the Telegram trading community to receive free trading signals, a free trading course, and consult with experts and much more. I'm Jessica Walker, and thanks again for tuning in to BeInCrypto News.